Hi, I got a 2010 Toyota Corolla with a bad blower motor. It's summertime and the AC is not blowing like it should. So I'm going to fix that. I'm getting tired of hitting it and kicking it to get it to blow. I've got a new fan, got a small set of sockets. All I'll need is an 8mm socket, screwdriver, Phillips. Definitely want a light because it's dark underneath there, and of course your part. So this blower motor is intermittently working, is not working real well. Sometimes I got to give it a little bang to get it to work. So all you really got to do is get in here, like I say, is stand on your head, and there's 3 little clips right here to unsnap. They're real easy. Just kind of flip that down. Another one here, flip that down. And the same, this one here is a little, okay. And that just pulls out. Get that out of your way. And then so here's your fan motor. And I think there's like, what is there, like 4 or 5 screws. There's one all the way around. And then your electrical wire, you can drop the motor down and unplug it. And it plugs in right here. So we can get that. And you can unplug it right here. La-di-da. Anyhow, so we'll get these out and pull that motor out. And I'll show you what's going on, why I'm replacing it. And then we'll throw another one in. These are 8mm screws. Excuse me. So one of the screws is hiding behind this bracket. There is a Phillips screw right there. We'll pull that out, pull this bracket out, and then we can get to this bottom one. There we go. All right, so that's out of the way. Now we can get to that last bolt or screw. All right, and that should just fall right out. Okay, so part of the problem is I had this fan out before. That's why there's black tape over this. From sitting down where they sit under here, collects a lot of moisture. So we're getting a lot of rust, and I'm sure the bearings are getting all dried out because of it and messing with contacts and all that. So replacing this will solve the problem. And I know it was the motor because when it would act up, I could reach underneath here and just give it a little hit or a kick or something, and it would take off. So it was just, and I tried to squirt some oil in there and lube it up before, but you can see that fan just doesn't spin well. So we'll throw this new one on. And it spins a little better. I guess the other one wasn't spinning that bad, but anyhow, there was something wrong with the contact. So we'll just put this back in that hole the way the other one came out. And I'll have to put the camera down for that. And like I say, we'll get that shoved in that hole, reverse the pattern, or reverse the procedure. So stand by. And we'll plug that in tight. Good. And then we'll screw this on. I bent that a little bit. We'll screw that back on and put the cover on. Snap, and snap. Done. Okay, all together. Now, let's hit the key. Oh yeah. Oh, that's going to be so cool. Get it? Cool. All right. Okay, that was a pretty easy change. I can trash this thing now. Obviously, it's no good. I put it off for a little while. I had pulled this out several times, given a little oil and messing with it. Finally figured out it's just bad. So I replaced it. Now this only took me 10, 15 minutes. And all you really need to do it is an 8mm socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and patience, and the ability to twist and stand on your head. Easy fix. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. Right? Oh, and a light. Can't see under there.